Good afternoon, guys. I want to take a minute here just to bring you a very short video about my trade on AVDL. Today I have a little issue in the morning while I was live streaming. The platform was giving me problems. I had to reset three times. Most important thing was what my computer did it really got me frustrated right in the morning, because right out of the gates the computer was giving me an error and all of my monitors started to reset and everything started to get spread all over the place, and it came to the main screen, which is my laptop screen, and I couldn't take any trades because all of my windows on my trading platforms and the scanners, they just started to move all over the place. So I had technical difficulties in the morning, which actually saved me from taking a bad trade on MNK, because that was one of the stocks that I was watching this morning. MNK was one of the main ones that I was actually watching. This stock, on the other hand, AVDL, was something secondary that I found because I started to uptrend here on this pop. As a matter of fact, you saw here, I put it on a secondary window and I was watching it, but I didn't pay much of attention to it until I noticed that it started to really pick up momentum. And then I figured, well, but it's looking good. Now, when it got to this level here, and you can go back and watch the live stream, right on this candle, this is the first pullback that we have on the 1 minute time frame. First pullback that it was a micro pullback inside of the same level inside of the same candle, but a pullback with a first red candle. So I was at that moment thinking, well, it looks good because it's the first red candle we have, and if we are able to break the high of this candle, which you can see there on the screen being $4.85, then we can push up even higher. Okay, so I took a stab at the breakout of the $4.85 at the breakout of the high of this first 1 minute red candle. Started to push even higher, and when we got around the $15, I started to see in the level 2 there was somebody with 15,000 shares sitting to sell right at $5 flat, right around that whole area of resistance at $5. So there I took a lot out. I took half out right there on the 5. On the push towards 512, when it kept on running higher here, then I took another quarter out, and then I was just hanging around with a quarter that I started to look at to take out towards $5.20, which is in the push up to this candle right here that went to a high of $5.37. On this candle, you can see here a high of $5.21. So he made this new high here even without me, but I didn't want to take a chance because I was looking at $4.97 here being a very important level that I was watching. And something else that you can also see here is that we had this 497 when it started to come down with a trend line here for that support area, which topped one again here the first time, and then the second time right here in these candles. And if I'm not mistaken, here we have a 496, right? So by 1 penny, 1 cent, it didn't tap the same area. So when it broke down right here, if you notice, it started to push lower right away. So using those candles on those areas, on those candles on the price range here, we were able to determine where the price was. There was a possibility for a breakdown, as well as using the high of the first red candle on the 1 minute time frame. I was able to find a pretty decent entry selling actually in portions on the way out of this trade, making an average of about 30 cents on the whole trade, because I took the first half out towards $5, the second towards 5.12, and the third towards 5.20, which was the last quarter that I was holding. And you could go back and watch that video archived on the YouTube channel. Another thing that I wanted to mention, guys, and I want to thank you for your time here, is that if any of you are looking to use TC2000, in the description of this video you will find a promo code with a $25 discount for the first order of TC2000. For pricing and more information, you can find that link there as well. And I want to thank you for your time here. Take care, guys, and happy trading.